President Trump hailed the court's decision Monday.
How do you feel about the Supreme Court ruling today, Mr. President? Very good, thank you. Very good.
While Trump said the ruling will help keep Americans safe, rights groups were quick to criticize it.
The very fact that the Supreme Court is agreeing to hear this flies in the face of a record of courts up and down the levels that have decided that this is an unjust and discriminatory Muslim ban.
Activists also are questioning the court stipulating that nationals of the 6 affected countries can only travel to the United States if they have a bona fide or authentic, verifiable relationship with people or organizations here.
That's incredibly vague language. Who's going to be making the decision? Presumably the same government who is trying to bar Muslim individuals from coming into this country.
But some say the Supreme Court's stipulation is not as limiting as it seems.
The primary category of people with no relationship would be tourists, but student visas, you have a bona fide relationship with the university. Employment visas, you have an employer in the United States, family visas, etc. And for refugees, similarly, many categories of refugees have pre-existing and significant ties to the United States, whether through family or in the case of Iraqi refugees, because they've worked for the U.S. military in Iraq.
Betsy Fisher is policy director at the International Refugee Assistance Project. She spoke to us via Skype. Fisher says the order will go into effect Thursday, and many will be confused as to how it is to be implemented.
My organization will be publishing a Know Your Rights guide with updated information. We'll be responding again with volunteers to airports to make sure that this is implemented correctly, and that individuals are not stopped with no reason or held indefinitely for no reason.
Fisher says the Supreme Court will conduct a full constitutional analysis of the ban in October. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.